So I have been working on trying to put together a mockumentary, a comedy. So come together pretty nicely, I would say. I've got several local businesses that might participate. I've got someone who might play the lead. Might have a place to premiere in the fall instead of waiting to do a film festival and then publishing it to YouTube. Right? My YouTube's already active. I could promote on social media as well. I might see about looking into if the local news would be interested. Gotta see if the local news might be interested in going to the premiere, helping promote any of it, right? Because it's about the Fort Wayne community. And then I would need to figure out when I'm going to film where and set up promotional thing, like maybe a flyer or something post online so that people know if you're a patron of this place around this time, on this day, you might be able to participate if you sign a release to be in the movie, which may premiere locally and then online. I sent an email to a lawyer to see if they might be interested in doing a cameo. I also sent a message to a local team to see if we could do something with them to introduce the lead. What else? The mankini should be on its way. I'm trying to get shirt design for it. I like the idea of the hobnobin, though I don't know that mine would be perfect for the hobnobin. Waiting another year, that could be difficult as well. But, getting this all done in a couple months, that could be difficult. If there are any police officers that might be interested in wanting to participate, looking for someone to want to play something of a super bad type role. Without the illegal stuff, obviously. But, cool cop. Cool cop. Kind of an asshole cop, but good community cop. I hope that locals can be as excited about this project as I am. And maybe it'll be a nothing burger, but hey, it'll be ours. One of the places that I was considering trying to premiere at would be like a local drive-in. So what if a bunch of people who participated in it and all that were there? I don't know. Someone suggested doing a Q&A, but I don't know about that per se. Seems like something we could do if people were interested in it. But, there'd have to be enough interest in the project to start with. Enough the burger.